So let's finish this stuff, Ejo. So I said you cannot add quotation mark to a number, because if you add quotation mark to a number, it turns to a string. Okay, beautiful. So age is this. If I come here and I say print age, if you check the output, you will see 23 with the age also as the age. Now why are these people showing me ad? Now we want to make something very creative, and you guys will be doing it by yourself. Okay, and most of computer science students are here. Okay. So most of you are computer science students, and you need to know this, and every one of you too, you need to know this. Remember, we have name, we have age, so you can have so many variables, but there is a law with variables. When, please pay attention to this law. When you are writing a variable name, let's say you want to write my name is equals to, then you put your name, Jessica. This is wrong, because when you're writing variable name, you don't put space. Okay, in programming, when you want to write two different words, it's either you use dash in between them, or you use underscore, this underscore, or you write the first word. This one is called camel case. Like, you write the first one to be my, the second one should start with capital letter, my name, anyone, but don't put space in between. Okay, for your
I don't know.
don't worry, I'm recording, don't worry, I'll be done soon. I'll share the video with you guys. All right, so don't put space in between, just write it straight, or put dash or underscore. All right, then don't start your variable with a number. Take notes. Number one, don't put space in between. You can use dash, underscore, or you can join the words together, but don't start any variable name with a number. It will be flagged as an error. Okay, so if you have taken note of those two things, number one, don't add space. Number two, don't start with a number. Let's proceed. Then what again? Then you can write school. Let's write my school. You can see what I did here. I did not put space, but I just a comma care. So my school is equals to, permits me to use the word BSU. All right, my school is equals to BSU. So we assigned our name, we assigned the age, and we assigned the school to be BSU. So let me stop here. Okay, now this is where the recoding comes in. So I'm going to say print, stay with me please, this is where the recording comes in. I'm going to say print. Now I'm going to write my name is, remember, if we print this, what will be the thing that is showing in the output? Just my name is. Am I right? Beautiful. Just stay with me please. Why now? Let me go and crack this app. So when you there's a rocket, just stay with me. I want us to get this. If you can get this, then you guys are already good coders. There's nothing you cannot do again. All right, so I say print my name is. Remember, we learned how to print. Now after this print, you put comma. Remember, this my name is inside the quotation mark, and anything inside the quotation mark is a string. Okay, I was like, if you guys okay again, I'll end this call. If you can hear me, can you react? And you can see my screen share. Thank you. So please, everybody, just calm. There's a recording. At the end, please, I'm going to give you guys the access to the main group that I'll be creating. All right. So I wrote, my name is. It is a string. Then comma. This comma is not just ordinary comma. This comma has power. It is what we call concatenation. Don't mind the English, it's simple. It's what we call concatenation. Then what is concatenation? Concatenation is the process of you adding two or more strings together, two or more words together. Okay, that is to say, if I wrote my name is, comma, remember comma is after the quote, right? My name is, then comma, then I will write name. Just do this. After my name is, put space so that it will not collide. So after the comma, want to join it, that's late. After the comma, write name. Now this is what I just, let me show you the output first. You can see my name is Jeremiah. Okay, my name is Jeremiah. So why and how did we arrive at that? Yesterday I taught you how to print just a word. You use quotation mark and you write something inside. This is it here. But now today I'm telling you that we can concatenate, let me use English, we can concatenate variable to a string. Okay, my name is name. Remember, I did not write Jeremiah inside the print. Then I will put comma again. Remember, we are done with that one. We need to add another thing. Now we want to write a word that is not a variable here. As long as you are writing a variable name, you don't use quotation mark. Now we want to write another word. Then I will put full column. All right, I am. Then after the I am, I will put comma again. Are you getting the gist? I will put comma. Then I will write age. Okay. Then after this age, I will put comma. Then I want to write a word now. Okay, now the word I want to write will be inside quotation mark. I write I schooled at. Then after this at, I put comma and I will write the name of the variable, which is my school. Now, one of the things you guys, I'm expecting for you guys is you guys will have errors. Okay, when you do this, your first try, we have errors, especially when you are writing the variable name. If they are not the same, you will have errors. So let's run this. Let's see. So my name is Jeremiah. I am 23. I schooled at BSU. If you are getting the gist, can you react? Let me see. If you are getting the gist.
So as we are not seeing the screen, we are not getting it.
Yeah, you will get the gist.
Don't
worry. Okay. So remember, at the end of all this stuff, you people will learn how AI works, how all those things work. So you can proceed to do anything you want to do with your skill. Is it software development? Is it software engineering? Is it back end? You can use Python for web development also. All right, and it's one of the strongest to use. Now this is what we just did. We learned strings and variables. So this is what I'm expecting from you guys also. That, remember, I just did name is Jeremiah, age is this, and my school is BSU. Now you guys should do at least 10 variables. That's your assignment. Do at least 10 variables and create a print that concatenates them with words. I come again. Remember, I just did 3 variables, so you can use my favorite food. You can just put food. You can add food to yours. What am I doing? Food is equals to, remember, food is a word, so it must be inside. Food is yam. Then you will come here. Why is this thing not? You will come here, add comma, then I'll be like, you will add a string. My favorite food is, then comma, then you write food. Okay, if you run the code, you will see my favorite food is yam. There's a reason we are doing all of this. Now it might look boring. So the beginning, that's why people give up in coding. The beginning always looks boring, but this, what we are doing now, is what back-end developers use the most. These variables and values, as long as you are working with, like for example, when you want to go to a site and they ask you to log in, when you log in, it is storing your name somewhere. Okay, where it is storing your name is called a variable, but you as a user, you will not know. That's what I'm teaching you guys now. So we have to take it structurally and what do you call it, and basically. Okay, so create at least 10 variables and create meaningful sentence to display a meaningful output. Look at I just created 4 and I'm displaying something good. So my name is Jeremiah and blah 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 blah. So that's what you are doing. So today we learned about variables, how to assign variables. We learned about data types, which are strings and numbers. We said strings, for you to write any string, you use quotation mark. Anything inside the quotation mark is a string, and we said you don't use quotation mark for numbers because they are integers, they are numbers. Then we learned about concatenation, and the first concatenation we learned about is comma. That when you want to add a string to a variable name, you use comma. Alright, you use comma. And please, when you are doing this work, take it slowly. Okay, no be who first get belle dey born boy. Take it slowly, take it gradual. When you do it, we have error. When you have the error, go to your output, snap your code and the output, and send to the group and complain about the error. So I'm going to see to reply to it. And though if it's quick, if it's late at night, I'll be busy. Alright, so that's that for today. So if you learned one thing today,